y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE here. First of all, I want to thank you guys all for the subscriptions. Thank you guys for watching this channel. Thank you guys all for the support. Today we're going to be taking you guys on a journey. We have a 2016, 15 through 19 model Dodge Charger Hellcat. We're going to be doing a conversion to a 2021 front bumpers, back bumpers, side skirts, fender flares, completely turned around from beginning to end. And it belongs to somebody who's very known in our shop, very good friend of ours, and became a partner in the years of dealing with us in this business here, Mr. REELTOREAL. You know that he's a guy who loves always doing something dramatically, always doing something different to his vehicle. We had the pleasure today of being able to have his car. We're going to start assembling and doing the first 2021 conversion that we've done in the store. 21 to 21 conversion, it could be the difference. I'm going to show you guys a picture. If you look at this picture I'm going to send you right here, right now. That picture that I just showed you what the 2021 looks like. Now look at what the older gens look like. If I put them to you side by side, you'll be able to see that right now, both of these side by side, you'll see the difference in the front ends of the vehicle. One of them has an upper grille, the other one doesn't. Like a lot of changes on the way that the noses breathe in. So we actually have the car here. He dropped it off to my house last night. This is REELTOREAL's car. It's a mango orange car. It's something that's not very commonly known. You can see that he pulled out his wrap. Still has some of the wrap in here. But right now I want you to see what the car's looking like, and you're looking at the factory front bumper. In fact, pause this video, let me get the car out to the sunlight, and we're gonna do a walk around and show you what's going on. So I brought the car from the back of the store to the front of the store because I want to give you a 360 view of what this car looks like today. Come here. The front area that we're first going to be modifying here, you can tell that there's no color in here. If you look at the side of the car, there's definitely no wide body anywhere on the car. Side skirt is missing on this side. We took this one off to do the paint correction, but I want you to pay attention to what the whole car is looking like as we're going around this vehicle. Alright, crew, so as the processing on REELTOREAL's car, we've already disassembled the whole front end of the vehicle. As you can see, the bumper is removed at this point in time, and we are beginning to do the transfer of parts. So let me explain to you what's going on. On the bumper, there's special clips, like these brackets that you see here. These brackets right here have to be transferred over to the new one, and we're in the process of removing those brackets right now to get this here ready to go on Real's car. So the front's already up in the air, bumper's assembled. We're gonna start disassembling this whole car to get Mr. REELTOREAL's car ready to go. Stay tuned as we continue the process on a 2021 conversion of Dodge Charger. In the fog light here, you can see we've already made the holes perfect right there. We're doing something very unique. Right now he got the holes looking perfect. Now we're gonna find a way to stabilize this down here so it's not floating around like you see right here. But once that's done, we'll be doing a one-off custom fog light kit. So it's basically gonna be a fog light kit to turn white when he turns on the ignition. It could have the option of going orange when he does a turn signal, just to make it a little bit different. Nobody has it, man, and you know what? It's something that we're gonna do it for him, man, and just make a special build. So right now we got, like I said, the front bumper's off. Isaac on the process of removing the rear bumper to get this whole car situated. We got a special guest up in the building. Wait a minute, who is this woman over here? Excuse me, I just saw the sunshine shine a lot more when you came by. What is your name? Can you please tell me your name?
Miss AUDIOZONE. No,
Miss AUDIOZONE. Let me tell you something right now, guys. If she wasn't Miss AUDIOZONE, she could have become Miss AUDIOZONE. I ain't gonna let you go nowhere, bro. Oh, I love this woman, man. This is the first time y'all gonna hear this on my camera. But I love her more than if I would have gave her birth myself.
Oh my goodness.
That's right. I love her more than I would have gave her birth myself, y'all. But just give me y'all an update on the up and up, man. We're doing what we gotta do, get the car situated. Be back soon. True, at this point in time, you can see that we have began the assembly of REELTOREAL's front bumper. He's actually got the new grills installed. He's putting all the ribbons and the bolts to get everything done and situated, as you can see right there in this new aftermarket kit. But I'm gonna tell you something right now. Boy, I think it look fabulous. You got your whole hand and your whole love in this car, don't you? I'll tell you guys, wait till I'm just giving you a sneak peek as we're building it up, but right now he's mantling and putting together all the grills to get this here situated for REELTOREAL, man. So stay tuned and we continue from there. We already got the bumper on there. We're still missing some of the parts, but you can get to see what we're doing. We're doing all the test fits. You can actually see the wide body bumper installed. But this is kind of a sneak peek of what she's beginning to come together like to get the finale of what she's going to look like. So right now, we're giving you a sneak peek so y'all can check out the vehicle in progress. You guys an update exactly what's going on Mr. REELTOREAL's vehicle. We actually have the front bumper on. We got the back bumper coming together. So I can show you here. I actually called Rell and told him I was not gonna do something, which is transfer these sensors over for him. Look at the parking sensors. But you know what? Street Fighter says what? I can do it. What do you say? I can do it. Say louder. I can do it. No, I want to hear like a man. I can do it. I gotta hear you talk like a man, brother. Come on. Give me one for you to say. You got a bien chingón. Say I can do it.
I can do it.
That's what I'm talking about. So he's actually gonna go in intent, guys, and get these sensors installed on Rell's car. I told him to let me help. He said no. Rell, so as you're watching this video, I know we had gotten off the phone call a little while ago, and I told you that it wasn't gonna be possible to do your rear parking sensor. Well, you're a good friend of Dodo. You know he's always taking care of you. We came up with a process. We used bobby pins. We used nylon tape. We also used nylon fishing string and a little bit of saliva, and we were able to guess where the holes had to be. Non-play. We got it down perfect for you, man. So right now you can see your sensor has already been scraped down. As you can see, we scraped. Let me cut this off for y'all here. So we scraped down the whole thing. We made the areas. You can see we wore down here a little bit more to make it nice and flush. But we've already cleaned up every single area. And now I am going to heat weld them back down for you. So stay tuned. Watch this here, y'all. I'm now heat welding it down here to make the plastic bond to plastic again, to give it just like a factory setting as it was before. But you gotta be very careful with this because you could actually burn through the bumper. But this is where it's very sketchy. And you have to be very careful. But we should have success in this molding. Just heat welding, tacking this in here. And all right, cool. We got that sensor now molded in. Now back to factory. So now when you look at it, it's all welded in there. It's not gonna come off on him when he's driving 100, 140, 130. We'll continue doing the same thing to the process and get the bumper put together. So at this point in time, we have installed the diffuser. We're doing all the electronic after we've got the sensors done. We're installing all the electronics and all the supports for the back. Dodo actually working his butt off here. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what it looks like when we have it standing up, y'all. So in fact, you know what, guys, do me a favor. Let's show everybody on YouTube what this is looking like right now, so they can understand. We did this here in glossy black to make it different from anybody else. But that's the back bumper for the new REELTOREAL build that you're seeing coming together here at AUDIOZONE. All right, so on this build here, we actually got the bumpers installed as you already saw, but right now he's beginning to do the molding part. But we do have these big wheels on it. We're gonna have to do some molding and some cutting around, but right now he's doing all the measuring to get it set up. I'll show you guys on this side what the mock-up is looking like. So right now he's doing a mock-up of what the wide body should look like once this bad boy is installed in the car. But we got the wheels in the car to be able to make sure that we're gonna have the fitment, because obviously we need to have wheel travel here. So that's what they're working on right now to get this one going. As you can see, this car is on its way, man. It is definitely on its way 100%. Now Dodo is putting it together, getting all his markups and mock-ups ready to go to get this thing situated, to make sure we don't have no gaps and no issue with it. But on top of that, to make sure we have the wheel clearance that we're gonna need to get this bad boy installed. So stay tuned if we finish up this car. All right, guys, so we got the wheels here done. You can see they're coming together. They got the car coming in pieces, but as you can tell, we do have the wide body going on the car with the car, and it is looking stupid, y'all. Y'all getting a preview. We also did an upgrade on this car. If y'all haven't seen it, we now carry these in our shop. It's the Lucas LED line. Man, I'm gonna tell you one thing. In this video, I might put a clip for y'all to see how I saw that clip. I'm actually getting this bad boy now, and I'm putting the LEDs on this headlights so we get REELTOREAL's car signed, sealed, and delivered. Y'all 6 seconds of this music here today. Y'all ready? Says, I don't know about this.
Girl, you're blowing my...
But anyway, I gotta get you off the copyright because you know how it is, man. But I'm just gonna give you a quick update. The update, Dodo is working on the Rell's car. But you can see that we got the whole process coming together. He got all the clamps in place. Everything is coming together, y'all. Wide body on this car is almost set and done. He could be doing the side skirts, dropping his car down today. You got a signature right there. Don't know who did it, but we got the front splitter installed. We have the snorkels installed. We have the wide body installed. He is working on the side skirts. Dodo, has this been a project for you?
Yes.
Why?
It's a pain.
Why is it a pain?
I gotta make this perfect.
That's all?
Every car perfect.
What makes this one harder than everybody else?
This is Rell's car.
And what does that make it different or harder for?
It's a YouTuber's car.
And besides being a YouTuber, he's a friend of the chop. And he has our phone number, so you can call us at any time. But he'll be calling you at 12 o'clock at night. Hey, Dodo, got a question for you, man. But no, story, man. Look, the car It's looking fabulous. First 2017 to 2021 full conversion. We put the 20 back on because you're gonna do something else, but y'all gotta see with the 24 when it gets done, y'all. We put the 20 to get the mounting and make sure we have no issue with the rims. But this car should be signed, sealed, and delivered very shortly. Really want to thank you for the opportunity to serve you in this car. He's doing everything to perfection. Make sure you're happy. We'll be getting your car back soon. All right, crew, so we got the original Mopar clips here, as you can see, that went on the car to replace all the new clips. And we're about to install the side skirt on the reel-to-reel vehicle. Pay attention.
A few moments later.
I told them all empty. Got the worst. Almost got the red jack. Hold on. Hold it down. I'm trying to throw that within the motorcycle. I ain't got no damn thumbnail.